everyone, welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So friends, we have different openings to discuss. Like most of the graduates will be having openings, one for one graduates, another for another graduates, like that. Okay, and also you have common things to do. Okay, so I hope you'll be watching this video as well as sharing with your friends so that they can also make use of this opportunity. And the only thing you have to do to get all these details at the right time before the link getting expired is by subscribing our channel and enabling the bell icon as well. Okay, so let me straight away get into one of the opening from Cisco. So Cisco is hiring for software consulting engineer. It's an intern position. So internships is underrated actually. So most of you will be like neglecting, saying no to this because it's an internship, right? What is a big deal with it? But you should not think like that. The company that you're getting or the domain that you're getting, the team you're working with has a greater thing to contribute to you being an intern. So during the internship time, it is all about studies. It's not about doing the job. So you will have a lot of things, exposure and all to know about it, so that when you complete that internship, you'll have a specific idea or you'll have a roadmap, like where you have to go. At least you will understand which is not of your time. So you can explore the other ways, right? So that's it. Now, the eligibility criteria is bachelor's or master's in computer science, computer engineering, electrical engineering, or related majors such as maths or physics. Minimum 8.5 CGPA or higher is what they want. And 2023 graduation batches. Okay, so this is it. And they have mentioned like solid understanding of computer science fundamentals and software engineering within an aptitude of learning new technologies, strong knowledge of programming and scripting languages, certain problem solving skills and excellent troubleshooting debugging skills, experience in establishing and sustaining excellent relationship with extended team, excellent verbal and written communication skill. So this is a requirement. And here also they have mentioned something, that is the things that you should that you will be getting exposed to, or you will be having an opportunity to learn. Okay, so just go through all the details present in this page. I'm not bragging too much, reading everything line by line. You can explore it yourself and understand. Okay, so that is the details, and it have just came up right now. So many of you can apply. There will be some time the link will be open, so you can click on to this apply now button and continue with the application process. Give your name and all, log into the career section, upload your resume, give your personal information, all that, and click on submit. Okay, so this is how you get to apply to this opening from Cisco. So next we have from Accenture. So before that, I have something very, very interesting to share with you guys. Okay, so that is a business analyst career development program by Skill Academy by Cisco. Okay, you can see business analyst is a very expanding career opportunity right now. So if you want to get into top based companies with top salary, then you should know the things what is happening inside, the skills that you have to develop before you get in. So here textbook is providing business analyst career program through Skill Academy. Okay, so what you get, so it is very important to know what you get, how do you get it, and everything, right? So what you get is 90 plus video sessions, 70 modules, 5 projects to build, dual certification course training plus internship, 30 live sessions, 2 months internship with certificate, lifetime access and support. So with this what you get is if you will be understanding what all the things in deep dive they will be taking things. That's why this much materials and all, right? Now skills you will gain, that is creation of reports and dashboards, statistics and optimization, predictive modeling, documentation and presentation, knowledge of R and Python, business programming, solving, etc. So if you are a fresher and got into business analyst role in any of the companies, then you may take up to a year to gain all these skills set, right? Just going through all the business activities, learning things and all. So here you have an opportunity to learn this through this career development program. So you might have noticed, right? In most of the hirings that I bring, they will be okay with the freshers, but there will be a list of skills that they demand. So if you want to get into those kind of opportunities, which is very, very important for your career, then these kind of courses do help in that. Now, apply analytical skills and master big time. Learn through practice sets, sessions and quizzes, capstone live project, master overall knowledge on SQL, Excel, Power BI, and basics Python. So this is it. And latest tools and technologies that will be covered is MS Excel, SQL, predictive modeling, data mining, Power BI, and data analysis. Okay. Now, what are the features of this course? So it is not offering the materials, it's not offering the videos, it's not offering some certifications. You get something extra, that is profile building assistance, mentorship and doubt support one-on-one, 24/7 basis, 2 months internship and on internship certificate, interview and training sessions from industry experts, best in class engaging live classes at your convenience. Okay, so these are the features of this course. So with these features, you can gain a lot of skills, which is straightly aligning with business analyst role. Okay, now to go for this course, I'll show you the registration process. You can get up to 20% extra discounts plus lifetime access to this by using our coupon code online20. Okay, so now it's time to show you how you have to make use of it. So I will be leaving the links in the description. For that, you can take it from there and apply. So once you just log in, sign up, no, you will have these options, enroll and start free demo. So if you're planning to get into it, then you should watch a start free demo. So you'll understand how they're taking, how these things are going. Okay, now after that, what you can do is you can click on this enroll now and you will get this section here. So already there is a discount, extra discount you can add with our coupon code. Okay, so what is our coupon code? It is online20. So let me apply and show you. It is online20. You can click on to this apply and you will get again discount, right? You can see coupon discount. So we're getting an again discount of 20 or by using this our coupon code online20. Okay, so after that you can buy this course, start your classes, clear all the things that they have mentioned. So this is the business analyst course provided by them, and another free course they are providing that you can see here, Excel introductory course. Okay, so this is the Excel introductory course that they're providing. So you can apply it with our coupon code OS free. So we'll get it for free. So once you get in, you will have this option. Okay, you can see here apply code, right? Before buy now, you can click onto this and you need to give OS free. Okay, so when you apply this, you will have the discount. So you don't need to pay anything for this course, that is Excel introductory course for beginners. So it's completely free for you. So you can use this coupon code. The links along with the coupon code will be left in the description section. You just take it wisely and apply it. Okay, so this is a very good thing when it comes to your career as a business analyst. So this, I think you will be making use of this. Okay, so now let's move on to the other job, which is from Accenture. So Accenture have multiple job roles for the freshers open right now. You can see application development associate. From here itself, you will get a basic eligibility criteria idea. Okay, that is BE, BTech, all streams and graduates from 2022 batch pass outs and can apply. Okay, and next is systems and application services associative. So this is from the graduation BSc, BCA, BBA, BA, BCom, BVoc, and or BMS from the batches such as 2019, 20, 21, and 22. Okay, so you have apply link here. So application process is pretty same with Accenture. Obviously, every company will be having similar kind of application template. That is, all the job openings for a company will be having similar application type. So similarly, if I show you one, then you will understand the other one. Okay, so I'll show you for application development associative. So this is it. All the details, salary details is provided. 4.5 LPAs is what they're offering. So last day it is not mentioned as of now, but it may expire soon. Okay, so all the details, eligibility criteria regarding the backlogs, maximum 1 year gap education, everything is shown here. So it's pretty same as every their hiring cycle. We have talked a lot about it. So here, no active backlogs during the application or onboarding process. Maximum 1 year gap in education is okay. All the details. Okay, so go through all the details and make sure it is applicable for you as a candidate and apply. So you need to apply. With respect to this, you can. Okay, so I already have an account, you just use it. I don't have an account, then you will need to start from the very first thing, that is you can just process this captcha, move to the next section, and you'll have a form. So form includes every details, your personal information, education details, skill set, everything. Then you need to attach your resume, government photo ID card, everything, and submit to it. Then you can watch your mail for the further response. So selection process will be online assessment, then interview round. So that's how it goes on. Similarly, it goes for this role too. Okay, that is systems and application services associative too. Same role, same kind of application process. Okay, so this CTC is 3.33500. So you can apply. I already have an account. I don't have an account. I'll show you how to start from scratch. So this is how we have to make it. You'll click on to next to proceed. The same application form, right? The same form details that they're asking. Okay, your personal information, education details, resume part, then government photo ID card, that's it. So that's the application process you have to follow to get into this role. Okay, so I hope all the details are clear to you. I think this video is super beneficial for you in some terms. So share this video with others as well. Don't forget on that as well. And in case if you have any suggestions or anything, clarifications required, you can drop that in comment section. We'll try to bring the content related to that. Okay, so until I be back again with another video, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to online study for you.